welcome to Targeted Email Database. This is Kingshuk here from Targeted Email Database. In this video, I will take you through the email database of Demat account holders and share traders, so that you can clearly understand how exactly the data is, what is the format, how does it look like, etc. And I will also tell you how to use this particular data, how to utilize this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. But at first, I will show you the data file. Let me copy the data first and paste it here. Now this is the exact file which you will get after you buy and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. Now this is the exact file, this is the exact thing which you will get, and the data is in Excel format, Excel 2007 format, but here as you can see the file extension is .rar. So that means what you need to do is right click and extract. Make sure you have WinRAR installed in your computer. If you do not have it, please download and install. It's a free software. Now after you extract, you will get a folder containing the Excel files. As you can see, there is a two Excel files, Demat 1 and Demat 2. Two different part files are there, two different Excel files. Now in this Excel files, let me open the first one for you first. That might take a few times, which you will get. As you can see, different rows and columns are there, like name, then email ID, then is SK2 ID, customer ID, city, state, DP client ID. These are the account IDs or the client ID, registration ID, etc. Now as you can see, the name is there, and against the name, against every name, email ID is present. Like the total number of data is 3,53,000 in this file. Total number of 3,53,000, 3,53,000 records, the total number of records in this file. Now I will slowly scroll down through this data so that you can clearly understand. Now this data is a perfect data if you are trying to promote something related to share trips, share market tips, any kind of if you are trying to promote any sort of financial investment or anything related to share market, commodity market, trading, forex trading, etc. Whatever it is, this is the perfect suitable data, because these are the exact target audience. These are the people who deal with, who trade, who trade and in share market every day. Some of them might be intraday trader, someone maybe not, but other kind of trading they are doing. So whatever it is, this is a perfectly suitable data, and the total number of records is approximately 7 lakhs. So like this data is already being used by few of my clients, and I get feedbacks from them. This data is a high conversion rate because of the perfect target audience, the people who are dealing into the share market. Okay, so they know the product which you are selling, the product or service which you are promoting. What you need to convince is take it from you. That's it. And as I said, few of my clients are already using this data, and they have already got the benefit. Like out of 7 lakh data, one of my client from Delhi, they have used this particular data, approximately 7.5 lakh data, and they have converted 700 new clients. So if you can understand, even if you convert a very small percent, like 1% or 0.5%, and then also you will get a huge number of conversions. And email marketing is always goes like that. The main thing of email marketing is it's a volume game, where you send emails in volume and concentrate on a small percentage and convert it, and on a way you will get a huge number of conversions. So you can understand, 700 new clients within a very short span of time, like 2 or 3 months of time. It's a huge boost to their sales and marketing. And trust me, you can people have done that, people are doing it, they will be doing, and if they can do, you can also do. You can also convert 0.5% or 1%. That might take some time, that might take 2 or 3 months time, but eventually if you follow the standard procedures of email marketing, like regular follow up, value added contents, you can eventually do that. And another client from Mumbai, they are also into share market tips. They have converted 1300 new clients in a 3 months of time. So 1300 new clients, you can understand, like the kind of boost they have got in their sales. So even if you convert 0.5%, even if you do not even if you do not convert 1%, just 0.5%, so that is also coming around 300 new clients. So you can understand 300 new clients within a short span of time is really a really big boost to will be your sales and marketing. And I always say my clients that concentrate on a small percentage, and try to focus on that, and eventually you will get the benefit out of it. Now this is how exactly the data is. As you can see, name, email IDs, the format is the same in both of the files. Just columns may be jumbled up, but the format is same: name, email ID, account ID, location, etc. And this Demat account holders data is also considered as a high income group data, because they are the investor, they are investing. So if you are promoting something related to something which is a luxury, or which is a high, which needs a high buying capacity, you can also use this data. That might also be helpful. Now this is the second file. This is the second file I have opened. The same thing: name, email ID, city, state, account ID, etc. And at any point of time, if you want to segregate according to the city, you can do it. Just filter it in Excel. If you want a particular city, you can do it here. So this is say you want Bhubaneswar only, and it is also alphabetically segregated. So that will not be a much difficulty to segregate according to particular city or a state, whatever. So this is how the exact data is. This is also the same: name, email ID, etc. And I wish you will use this particular data. I wish you will use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple number of times within a very short span of time. And if you think this particular video is helpful, then please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.